Well, good morning, guys. It's about 8 a.m. and I slept pretty well. I'm all nice and toasty in my bag, but I woke up a lot last night because of the wind. It was just roaring loud, shook the roof, just made a horrible noise. But that's why you make such a complicated entrance to the snow cave. If you just dig a hole in a cave, the wind could get in really easy. So you gotta kind of make this little S-shaped entrance so that the wind can't blow straight into your snow cave. Oh, but I really have to use the bathroom. I gotta get up. I just don't want to. All right, let's get up. Whoa, looks like we got a bit of snow last night. That's why you hang up your coat and your pants. That's why you cover up your boots. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's nice and cozy down here. Oh.